The kitchen is the beating heart of the house. The more time we spend in the space, the more we want to embellish it. Our interior designers and renovation experts have worked together to bring you the 2023 kitchen trends. And stay till the end because some of them might surprise you. Here are our top trends of the year. Interior design experts agree. In 2023, light fixtures do more than just light the way. They set the tone and act like the star of the room. We dare to choose lighting that has a lot of character. And in terms of color, we prefer metals such as gold, bronze with a mixture of materials. No more accent colors or immaculate white kitchens. We adopt a meticulously chosen color palette to create soft and harmonious whole. Yes, white is still present, but it acts more like a binder between colors. We see a lot of warm whites, off-whites, beiges, but the star color of the year is definitely peach. A trend that saves a space in addition of being aesthetic? We love this. Bench seats are in fashion this year. Whether in velvet, faux leather, or fabric, they offer a great way to reclaim a lost corner or to maximize your space. Among the models in trend, one stands out, and that is the backrest with vertical furrowed padding. So pretty. Since the pandemic, we've been looking more into creating living spaces to bring people together. Beyond the open concept, a strong trend this year is the invisible kitchen. This concept consists of integrating the kitchen into the living room or the dining room by using the same decorative materials throughout the room. The kitchen will be completely camouflaged into the design, so much so that it will no longer be seen. There is a growing desire to reconnect with nature, and time spent outside has been proven to promote the psychological and physical well-being. So kitchens that are open to the outdoors will be very popular this year. Whether it's with an abundance of windows or accordion-style patio doors that open onto the terrace, we're connecting the inside to the outside. Not only this concept brings light into the room, it also expands the living space during the summer season. Marble has always been a timeless trend, but this year, marble with large, visible, and very pronounced veins is making its way into the kitchen. They are seen on islands, but also on countertops and backsplashes. The colors of veins that are popular are browns, greens, burgundies, and blacks. For those of you who are less into peach tones, rest assured. The trend is also towards warm, dark, and earthy tones. We're talking about browns, reddish browns, grays, beiges, and of course, shades of green. They are reminiscent of nature and gives the kitchen a cozy feeling. These colors go very well with dark woods such as mahogany, ebony, and walnut. Who doesn't wish to have a large walk-in pantry? The trend is not only for an organized pantry, but also for a hidden entrance. The pantry is hidden in the cabinets behind the wall with decorative moldings. Why hide it? For the same reason that appliances are hidden with the cabinets. It gives the kitchen a more spacious look. Besides, a secret room is just plain fun. The evolution of technology is becoming a priority in kitchen design. The goal for this is to simplify the task of cooking, to save time while offering a minimalist design. Whether it's motion sensors for sinks, hidden hoods that react to steam or smells, or smart coffee makers that allow you to order your coffee through your phone, there are plenty of smart kitchen appliances to discover. Mono what? Monolithic is forming a homogeneous whole. This trend consists of keeping the choices of materials to a minimum. For example, the same quartz is chosen for the countertops and the backsplash. You can also use the same material for the floor and the island to create a uniform look. The possibilities are endless as long as you keep in mind to limit your choice of materials to the minimum. Why not reinvent the faucet? Colored matte finishes are in trend. It might not be for everyone, but when it's well integrated into the decor, the look can be very original. Colors like moss green, terracottas, and light pinks are the favorites for 2023. For those who are less daring, matte white is also very trendy. Whether it's in entryways, cabinets, walls, niches, or shelves, arches are everywhere. A trend from the 60s and 70s, they are back and they bring softer feel to a space by breaking the straight lines. Plus, they create a sense of height by drawing the attention to the upper part of the walls. Although the trend is towards simplicity and clean lines, there is no such thing as too much storage in a kitchen. How about adding high cabinets up to the ceiling? 3-panel cabinets will not only provide that extra storage, but it will also fill that forgotten space above the cabinets. We say 3 panels when counting the bottom cabinets and 2 more doors stacked on top of the other cabinets. In 2023, pastel colors inevitably made it in the ranking. At the same time, dark cabinets are making a comeback. Black is growing in popularity as well as dark greens and dark chocolate woods. Who would have thought? It's a great choice if you're looking for a more muted and warm atmosphere. Kitchen hoods have become an eyesore. This year, we focus on transforming the hood into a design element to make it more interesting or to simply hide it altogether. Long cylinder hoods are appearing in the market, as well as hoods covered with materials such as wood or marble. This transforms them into an architectural element of the kitchen. We can also simplify it by hiding it behind the cabinets. What a great idea! The trend in handles is to not have any at all. Putting forward the minimalist approach, this option leaves all the attention to the other finishes. This year, we will see a total absence of handles, and they're replaced by cutouts in the cabinet doors or drawers, or simple moldings that act as handles. Metal is making a comeback in kitchens, and not just in the industrial styles. We even dare to replace traditional cabinets with black metal glass cabinets to display our beautiful dishes. For many years, we have put aside this type of cabinetry in favor of shelves. Yet, glass cabinets bring a light and elegant effect to a kitchen, so why not use it? Artwork is becoming more and more prevalent in kitchens. Even if the design of your room is up to date, it is sometimes difficult to personalize this space. So the idea is to allow yourself to incorporate objects that have sentimental value to the kitchen to make it all more warm and inviting. Gone are the days of 1.5-inch thin countertops. Materials on the market have evolved, and the European inspiration is felt in this trend. Thin countertops of 1/2 inch in natural stone is the way to go. With homes becoming smaller in square footage, more subtle countertops can make a room feel larger. Here are some examples of different types of installations. The pencil ceramic, also called Kit Kat, is a big favorite this year. It is a ceramic sheet with very small rectangular tiles. They can be found on backsplashes, but also on kitchen islands. Yes, we're breaking away from the conventional. What a great way to enhance your kitchen! I hope this video has inspired you for your new kitchen design. If you'd like more information or tips on renovations, trends, or anything else, visit renoassistance.ca and access our resources pages for inspiration. Wishing you a successful kitchen renovation.